Okay guys, welcome back. So I'm going to tell you a wee fly called the jungle cock, ballcock. This is a request I got through an email about 2 weeks ago, so sorry I'm only getting round to it now. Now the hook and the vise is a Kamasan B175 in size 10. The thread that I'm going to use is the uni thread. You don't want black. So it's going to come in a couple of mil behind the other hook. We'll just get our thread started. There's a wee tag to go onto the fly, so I'm just going to work my thread down until I'm starting to come around the bend. Remove the waist tag of thread. Now the tag is a blue holographic tinsel, so I'm just going to catch this in. Now we want it to make it a wee bit lighter. There's a holographic tinsel from Vineyards called Aqua. It's just a light blue, and then just work my thread back up. And then we'll come around with our tinsel, just an overlapping turns up to meet the thread. That point there, we'll catch that in, and then we'll come in and clip away the waist. Now the tail on the fly is a jungle cock feather, so I'm going to use sort of a medium size feather here because I like a good tail on a fly, and I want the tail to be roughly the length of the hook over the back. So just offer it up. You just have a wee check, make sure it's sitting on top. Alright, yeah, happy with that. Sometimes when you tie jungle cocktails have a tendency to move, so just take them down onto it, and then we'll come in and clip away the waist. The rib of the fly is a oval silver tinsel. This is an oval silver tinsel in size 14 that I'm using. So just catch that in and just work our thread forward, just hang in there, jungle cock and the rib. Then I'm going to work my thread back on open turns because the body's dubbed, so we don't need to be too fussy with any lumps and bumps. Now the body on the original dressing that I've been sent here is black seal's fur. However, I'm going to use this. This is the Ballinderry black from the traditional Irish dubbing range. The reason why I like this will match this fly is because I don't know if you can see it if I hold it up. Inside the dubbing, the Ballinderry black, there's wee flecks of blue fibres. So we're just going to work our dubbing forward. I just like to tighten up as I go, and then just end up with your thread in front. The body hackle, you're doing a nice light ginger cock hackle, and then we're just going to palmer this down the body. Now this fly is basically a mixture of the mature claret and the goat's toe. So I always like to get 2 turns going at the shoulder of the fly. That means the top of the body. And then at least 3 to 4 turns down the body. But you put in as many turns of hackle as you like. It's up to you. Now keeping a hold of the tip. Just volley this around with my oval silver tinsel. I'm doing 4 turns of the oval silver tinsel up through the body. Sweep everything back. It wants to go forward. Bring your oval silver tinsel up in front. Catch that in. Throw away the oval silver tinsel and break away the tip at the back. Now at this point, you can put in your 2 jungle cock eyes if you wish. Just not happy with that tail. Just want something straight for me. It's a bit better now. However, I'm just going to put on the blue peacock neck first. Okay guys, so I forgot to lift the blue peacock neck out, so I'll go and get it out of the tub. So just a wee blue peacock neck feather, and just even that is a bit of a handle. Sometimes when you strip these off, the stems tend to break at times. So just stroking the fibres back as always to give you that Christmas tree type shape. I'm going to offer this up to the hook. 3 turns, fold back the tip of the feathers, back up over the top, just break away the tips. You can leave these in, it'll not make the fly swim any differently. It's just that I like to take them out, and then I'll probably get a turn and a half out of this maybe. We'll see how we get on here. What I don't want to do is to be tying on to the thicker part of the stem. So it's going to do me there. So I'm just going to follow this around underneath. A couple of tight turns. Spin my face so I can get a better cut. Just come in and sweep everything back. Your thread's ready at the end of the hook by this point, so you can build up your thread back up. Now, you don't have to put jungle cock on at this point, but it is required in the dressing. So, got 2 jungle cock eyes here. Like I say, you can put the jungle cock on before you put the blue peacock feather on, but I'll just leave that up to you guys if you're going to tie the fly. Right, I'm going to tie another 5 after this, because I can see this wee fly working in the likes of Carmore for the salmon. So, right, I'm just not happy, so I'm just going to take these off a second. Another wee lick of wax. There's a wee stapler in the head. Just want to level that off a wee bit. And then we'll come back to my eyes. Yeah, so I think it'll work down there. Well, we'll soon find out when I'm down later on in the spring. So just offer these up again. Just pinch them. A couple of turns. Right. See what way we're sitting. Just make sure you're happy. I'm happy with the length. Just not happy with this one on my side. So bring it up a wee tad. Just make sure that you're happy before you sort of tack them in. Another couple of turns down. Fold the stems back at this point. Just tidy up, keeping my thread tight. Break away the stems of the jungle cock, and then we'll just come in with our whip finishing tool and just throw in a whip finish. So that's a wee request from a gentleman called Colin. So there you go, Colin. Hopefully you're watching. Sorry it took me so long to get around to it. Now the first coat onto the head. I like it we drop a super glue. I say this all the time, just be careful, you don't want this getting into your hackle, so you're dressing it all. It'll just ruin all your hard work. And there you go, guys. That's the jungle cock Ballcock. So hopefully you've got something from that. As always, many thanks for taking the time to view the video. It's greatly appreciated. If this is the first time watching one of my tying videos, please consider subscribing. It just helps the wee channel grow. And until the next time, be good. If you can't be good, be careful. And all being well, I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.